here.
Put here.
We put it here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Close. Close, yes. It's a restaurant, my friend. It's not moving.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Yes, it's okay. Get the other.
This one.
Yes.
So I'm hanging from here.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Am I doing it?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Oh, I can maybe work with you.
Okay. Very easy, eh?
Yeah, it's so easy and fun. Oh my God! Look at these octopuses.
Yeah,
Very big.
yeah.
I shall open them, right?
Yeah.
Open
Yeah, yeah,
them
you can
like
open.
this.
No, be one close father to be dry. Okay?
Okay.
We have for 16 for 2 octopus, but now it's better. The picture is modernized
Yeah,
like this.
yeah. So you are doing them, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You are hanging these.
I put it, but now I have problem with my hand, then I put our wife to do that for our
Good,
waiter.
Then I can just work with.
Yeah.
It's so soft.
Yeah,
It just goes on.
yeah.
So soft.
Three more, we need 3 more.
Are we doing good?
Yes, you
You're
do very
going
well.
well?
You do very well. You come every day to do that.
Okay. But I eat one of them if I
Because
come.
you are friendly, that's why all the things here in this job must be friendly, you know.
You have to love it.
Yeah, with
You-
your wife, your, you know,
Put your heart in
staff, yeah. Is it small, you see? Kalimera.
How are they? Are they
It's
okay?
okay. It's okay.
Okay?
Yeah,
Woo.
we are finished.
Okay, see you 8 hours
Yeah,
later.
yeah. We keep now, is it 10? 6 o'clock in afternoon I keep it.
6 o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay.
before sunset. Just lose the sun, just the sun go, I keep it.
Uh-huh.
But
okay.
normally, told me the people, the octopus be nice in the shadow.
Shadow.
But everybody put in the sun. That's why I put in the sun.
Oh my God.
Before owner, that's that business to be here.